Right now, inside your cells, a silent power outage is happening. By the time you turn 40, the tiny power generators inside your body, called mitochondria, have lost up to 50% of their operating capacity. This isn't just about feeling tired. This cellular brownout is the primary engine of biological aging itself, draining your vitality and setting the stage for chronic decline. Think of your mitochondria as miniature coal-fired power plants. They take the food you eat and the oxygen you breathe and turn them into a chemical energy currency called ADP. When these power plants damage easily and run inefficiently, they leak toxic byproducts called free radicals, which tear apart your cellular structure from the inside out. Take a look at this data, charting mitochondrial function against biological age. As we cross our 30s, there is a sharp, exponential drop-off in our cells' ability to produce ADP. This decline directly correlates with the physical signs of aging, from cognitive slowdown to muscle loss. But this decay is not a one-way street. It can be paused and even reversed. To fix this, we must first trigger a process called mitophagy. Think of mitophagy as a cellular garbage truck that rounds up and recycles damaged, broken mitochondria so new ones can take their place. You can activate this self-cleaning cycle through short periods of intermittent fasting or by exposing your body to deliberate cold, like a cold shower or ice bath. Next, we need to build new power plants. We do this through low-intensity, steady-state cardio, often called Zone 2 exercise. When you jog or cycle at a pace where you can still hold a conversation, your muscles demand a constant supply of energy. This constant demand forces your cells to duplicate their mitochondria, upgrading your body's overall power grid. But how do you know if these protocols are actually working? You can't just look in the mirror. This is where the True Diagnostic test comes in. True Diagnostic is a state-of-the-art epigenetic test that measures your true biological age rather than the date on your birth certificate. By tracking your rate of aging using the highly accurate Dunedin Pace algorithm, it acts like a speedometer for your lifespan, showing you exactly how fast your body is aging in real time. Once you're tracking your progress, you can optimize your cellular fuel. Two critical molecules, coenzyme Q10 and NAD precursors, act as the spark plugs and transmission fluid for your cellular engines. As we age, our natural levels of these compounds plummet. Supplementing with them helps restore the smooth flow of electrons inside your mitochondria, maximizing ADP production and boosting daily focus. You can also supercharge this process using light. Red and near-infrared light therapy penetrates deep into your tissues to interact directly with an enzyme in your mitochondria called cytochrome C oxidase. This interaction acts like a wireless charger for your cells, instantly accelerating energy production, reducing systemic inflammation, and speeding up muscle recovery after a hard workout. This graph shows the remarkable impact of consistent Zone 2 training on mitochondrial density over just 12 weeks. Notice how rapidly the body adapts to the energy demand, spiking cellular power capacity by over 40%. By combining targeted exercise with smart supplementation, you're actively rewriting your biological trajectory, building a younger, more resilient physical foundation. Implementing the protocol is simple. Start with 3 sessions of 45 minutes of Zone 2 exercise per week. Add in a fast once a week or take a cold shower each morning to trigger that cellular cleanup. Combine this with daily CoQ10 and test your biological age every 6 months to watch your numbers steadily drop. Rebuilding your cellular energy is only half the battle. If your body cannot clear out old, toxic zombie cells, your new mitochondria will still struggle to shine. To discover how to sweep away these aging zombie cells and unlock another level of vitality, watch our deep dive into the cellular clearance protocol next.